Today we're in Leeds, a city famous for producing 1/5 of the Spice Girls, the second longest running UK soap, and the world's first ever film was recorded here. Leeds is the perfect city if you're visiting for a night out or you're wanting to splash the cash and do a spot of retail therapy. So we're checking out some of the world famous markets that the city has to offer. We're starting off strongly with the Corn Exchange. It's one of Leeds' most iconic buildings, so let's take a look. Completed in 1864, this stunning Grade 1 listed building was designed by renowned architect Cuthbert Broderick. He designed the Grand Hotel in Scarborough, the Town Hall here in Leeds, and there's even a Wetherspoons named after him. Initially this building served as a trading hub for corn merchants, but today it's a vibrant space filled with independent shops, cafes and creative businesses. Next we're heading to Kirkgate Market, just a short walk away. If you're new to the channel, we share new travel videos each week and it would really help us out if you give this video a like, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos and helps us more than you can imagine. This market is not only one of the largest covered markets in Europe, but it's also the heart of Leeds' shopping and food scene. Opened in 1857, Kirkgate Market boasts a rich history and vibrant atmosphere. As we enter, I can't help but notice the beautiful Victorian architecture with the high ceilings and ornate details. The market is divided into different sections, each offering a variety of stalls. From fresh produce and international foods to clothing and household items, there's something for everyone. Did you know that Marks & Spencer, one of the UK's largest retailers, started right here as a penny bazaar in 1884? You can still visit the original stall and see where it all began, so keep a lookout for it. If you visit Leeds, make sure to explore the food hall, where you can sample cuisine from around the world. Whether you're in the mood for a traditional Yorkshire pudding wrap, spicy street food, or sweet treats, the market has plenty to offer, and that's where we're heading next. There's more stalls outside.
You know where to find me. Like, no, I'm not gonna find you.
I can't believe it. A little bit of Ireland here in Leeds. It's come a long way. Each market has its own unique charm and offers a glimpse into the rich history and vibrant culture of this fantastic city. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below and let me know which market you're most excited to visit.